welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this little blue car I got, and I'm just going to let most of the trains just run around the layout, put the little Trackmaster trains on their little oval place, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. So first we're going to unbox this car. Let's see. I don't know whether we need scissors or... I already unboxed it a little because it was really hard before. So I unboxed it a little. Just put it in plastic. Okay, so okay. This is really hard and complicating. This is really hard. Having a bit of trouble here. Technical difficulties. You know what? Scissors, they fix a lot of things. These scissors might not be the best ones, though. Get in there. It's not cutting. It's just not cutting properly. I don't know why. Who makes these things? Who makes these things? Like, it's not gonna fall out of the... Oh, I did cut it. Good job for me. Like, it's not gonna fall out of the box. Oh, now I gotta cut. Seriously? Okay. I'm gonna put this over here in the garbage can. And I'm gonna go cut some things with more sharp objects. We're just gonna skip until the part where I finally cut it open. I finally got the metal off the car because for some reason people just like to stick metal on the bottom of the car, even though it's not going anywhere. But it doesn't matter. This is the car. It's a pretty cool car in my opinion. It's pretty cool. I do say so myself. Okay. So we're just gonna drive over to our little village over here, where we have our Kentucky Fried Chicken, our Ford garage, and Sir Topham Hatt's house. So we're just going to say this guy's just driving around, and we're going to put Sir Topham Hatt's car right there beside his garage. Okay, so let's let some trains run. Now, in the comments below, just comment and see which train would you like me to put on the track. Would you like me to put Spencer, Gordon, oh my god, Spencer, Emily, James, Thomas, Percy, or Ben? Vote in the comments down below. You can either put the names, or you can put silver, dark green, red, blue, light green, yellow, if you forget the names. Okay, so for now we are going to choose. We're going to choose James and another engine. Percy. We're going to put James and Percy on the track and let them run. Let's go. I have James, Troublesome Truck 1, Troublesome Truck 2, and Toad the Brake Van on the upper track, and on the lower track going through the town, I have Percy and Percy's mail car. I also, in my little Trackmaster oval, I have James and two coal cars. They don't make brake vans for Trackmaster. Maybe in the future when it's more upgraded. But for now, we're going to let James, Percy, and Mini James run on the track. Let's let them go. Okay. I came over here to work the switches, but I realized, where's Percy? Thomas to the rescue! Percy must have gotten stuck in the tunnel, so Thomas is here to help him. See if he comes out, if Thomas comes and helps him. He's gonna come out. There goes Thomas into the tunnel. And Thomas also gets stuck. We're gonna put it up to a higher speed. Nope, Thomas gets stuck too. So, Ben to the rescue! Got Ben going down to the tunnel. Where is he? There he is. And we got the James. He's running. The tunnel is just a very bad section for all the trains. They always derail in there. Let's see, is he gonna come out? Okay, I'm gonna have to go and give him a push. Oh. We have had some technical difficulties. It wasn't Percy. There was a block in the tunnel, and Percy was derailed. I don't know who put that in there, but someone did. So, I'm going to pull out derailed Percy and his mail car. We're also going to pull out Thomas, who is also derailed because he biffed into Percy, and Ben, who's coupled up to Thomas. So, it's not safe around here. So we're going to have Ben go in front. Then we're going to have him get coupled up to the mail car. Then we're going to get Percy coupled up in front. And Thomas is going to push from behind. Thomas doesn't have a front coupling, so he's just going to help push. And James lost his cargo. Sometimes they're just stubborn. We're just going to let them go. The switches are also a big problem. We have a lot of crashes sometimes. A lot of crashes. Okay, we're just going to put mail car away. I'm going to put truck away. And we're just going to let him run. We're just going to let him go full speed. Full speed, do whatever they want. And full speed ahead! Just trust me. They're all going to go to this area and just crash. Oh, they crashed. There comes Percy. Biff. There comes Ben slowly coming along. Oh, there he goes. bam. Oh, just a big crash. Okay, so I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. I'm very sorry for not uploading because I've been very busy this week and I just haven't had a lot of time to make a video, but I made one now and now you can watch it. So, thank you all so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.